Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Open the box and remove the Zong Internet device and charger carefully. Insert a micro or nano SIM into the labeled slot until it clicks. Locate the power button on the side and press and hold for 3 seconds to turn the device on. Watch the LED indicators blink to confirm network search and signal registration. Find the default SSID ZongXXXX and password printed clearly on the device label for initial login and Wi-Fi connections. On your phone or laptop, open Wi-Fi settings and connect to SSID ZongXXXX using the printed password. After connection, open a browser and go to 192, 168, 1 to access the device admin portal. Log in with the default credentials on the label and immediately change the login password for security. In the wireless settings, change the Wi-Fi name and set a secure password using WPA2 encryption for safety. Limit connections to up to 10 devices if you need stable speeds. Position the Zong device near a window or elevated spot for better 4G LTE signal reception. Avoid enclosing the device in cabinets and keep it at least 3 feet away from large metal objects. Charge the device using the supplied adapter until the battery reaches 100% before the first extended use to calibrate battery reporting. Check the admin portal regularly and update firmware when prompted to fix bugs and improve performance. Reboot the device monthly and monitor data usage to avoid unexpected charges.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.